My family's history and my personal history is intertwined in Little Tokyo with its history and culture and the vitality that it enjoys today. And I have a long history in public transit. I think many of you have seen me soaring through the galaxies on a starship called the Enterprise, transporting people from Alpha Ceti 4 to Starbase 2. That was public transit in my youth. I have a history in terrestrial transit as well, right here in Los Angeles in the mid-20th century, way back. Mayor Tom Bradley appointed me to the board of directors of another kind of starship called the Southern California Rapid Transit District, and his mandate to us was to get started on building a heavy rail subway system. The vision then was to break people of their dependence on automobiles with its pollution and its cost and its energy inefficiency and move them to public transit. Urban planners and political leaders and ultimately and most importantly, the community leaders of Little Tokyo that is going to be dug under. And this morning, we break ground on building the Little Tokyo Arts District station that's going to go underground. All these leaders got together with mutual respect, with open minds and mutual understanding. They faced many challenges, but they worked together in concert to solve problems. And that's what brings us here today, this morning. And so let's give a round of applause to all the people who worked to make this day possible. All the people.